Hello everybody, beautiful day. And today we want to make a sausage and pepper on a barbecue. I'll start with the Italian sausage, really hot sausage. And I got over here already. It looks so beautiful already. Okay? And I got all the pepper right over here. I was chop everything, but we miss something that we need. Everybody wait for this. And let's go to my garden. The rucola. Look at the basil. Oh, look at the plum tomato, beautiful. Look at all the tomato. And I got my oil baby, and I want to pick it up. One.
Those are really hot?
Yeah. I got another one over here. Maybe got another one over here. Yeah. Come on, baby. Okay, this is enough because this is really spice. Okay.
Let's see it again, close up.
Yeah. It smell. Yeah, it smell the spice. Okay. Let's go to back.
Hi, Cheryl.
All right. Nice. Okay. Now I got the pepper over here. I got a paper towel. And what I do, I want to clean up. I'm not spraying nothing. The only thing you take out the little dust, that's all. All right, and now I got over here the knife, and we chop the little pepper. And I want to do like this. And like that, because this is really hot. I don't want to use it too much, okay? Now, we got over here salt, a black pepper, okay, and we need oil.
Got olive oil.
Yes, it's really good. Look at the color of the oil. All right. Now, before I will mix this, let me check my sausage. Oh, look how beautiful, huh?
Those are the spicy ones?
Look at that. The spice, yes. This is a spicy sausage. All right. You know why? We put right over here. Now, it's time of the sausage to pepper everything. Let's dump everything inside.
Wow. Look at the color on that. That looks great. What olive oil did you use?
The Checo. The Checo. All right. Now, what I do, I close the barbecue. Look.
It's starting to shrink down a little bit.
Yeah.
Did you make these sausages?
No, I was a buy. You know this spatula? You like?
Yeah, what's up with it?
What do you think? How old is this spatula?
Like 2 years old.
What?
2.
This is 1957.
1957.
This is spatula, it's 1957. I was buying this in Torino. They started to cook. Okay, everybody is supposed to use their own tools. And I was buying the spatula, the knife, the fork, everything. 1957.
Does it have a name, like a name brand or anything?
Well, it got some name, but I don't see over here.
It said Dexter?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Singer. It's a stainless steel.
For the, yeah.
Yeah, it's a really thin steel of this. It's really good.
Wow.
Okay.
How long would it last if you bought it, like, recently?
Well, as I was buying over here, maybe, let's just say maybe 5 months ago, I think it was all rusty already. I want to ask something. I don't know, this one for Torino. You was born in Torino. Really Torino or someplace a little smaller city than Torino, Piemonte? Tell me the street where you was living. I know all places in Torino. Now the sausage, you say, want to stay with the pepper.
The olive oil is Di Cecco.
Okay, but somebody say little garlic. I got a little chop of garlic over here. Come on.
Some people said yes, some people said no.
Okay, we put only a little chop of garlic. It give a good taste. All right?
Let's just show it, what you had. You made it this year, the oregano?
Yes, yes.
Or, yeah.
Look there. Oh, the smell. I want to ask a question of everybody. Everybody ask about making oregano. I want to know, when you make oregano, what do you got to do? You got the leaves, you got the flour on the top. But what do? You keep the leaves or you keep the flour?
That's the fig tree. One of them.
Okay, now what I got to do, I put this one on the side, like this. Show I got the bread over here. And look there.
Nice. Oh, you can toast it up a little bit?
Toast it up a little bit. You know what? Good oil, it's not bad. A little bit over here. Okay. And now?
How about homemade mozzarella? Does everybody want to see that? A live video or just a regular video? Homemade mozzarella.
All right, now let's see the bread. Huh?
It's a little toasted.
Ooh, moizza. Ooh. Oh. And now, I gotta bite it like my wife, she said, bite it like, bite it like this. And the sausage, you want to run away from me. Boy, it's out of the bread. Woo-hoo. The pepper. I want to say salute cincin to everybody. And thank you for your support. And thank you for the star. And thank you so much to look this video. They come out really, really good. It looks so good. And we see you next time. Chin chin. Salute.